In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some essential functions in QuickBooks. Whether you're completely new to the platform or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide will take you step by step through the process with ease. To get started, open your internet browser and head over to the QuickBooks online homepage. This is your central hub, the place where every QuickBooks journey begins, so make sure you're logged in with your credentials. Upon entering the home page, you'll find yourself on the dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your financial activities. It's important to familiarize yourself with this overview, as it offers insights into your business's financial health. Next, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Here you should see various highlighted tabs. Simply click on the highlighted button, as this is your control panel from which you'll be accessing key features and functionalities within QuickBooks. This interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to seamlessly explore different components of your financial management tools. Once you've gotten the hang of the navigation, it's time to delve into the nuts and bolts of your business accounting with a focus on the Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on Chart of Accounts, which is conveniently located in the menu. This section is crucial as it lays out all your company's accounts, giving you the structural backbone for categorizing financial data. Taking the time to understand and organize your chart of accounts according to your specific needs can greatly improve your financial reporting and analysis accuracy. As you progress through this guide, your next stop is the Bank Transactions tab. Clicking on Bank Transactions will take you to a page specifically tailored for managing your bank data. It's vital to regularly review and verify your bank transactions to ensure they align with your records. Here, you have a direct view of all your bank transactions synced with QuickBooks, making it easy to track and reconcile against your financial statements. The final step in this tutorial is an essential function, linking your bank account. To do this, locate and click on the Link Account feature. Linking your account allows QuickBooks to automatically import your bank transactions, saving you time and reducing the chances of manual entry errors. When you select Link Account, follow the prompts to securely connect your bank, ensuring that all your transactions are retrieved accurately into your QuickBooks account. Regularly updating your linked accounts helps maintain a seamless and real-time financial overview. With these steps, you now have a clear understanding of how to efficiently navigate and utilize QuickBooks for your business needs. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with these tools, the more proficient you'll become in managing your business finances. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.